Hello, my dear crafters. So we're continuing my Christmas Craft Fair 2023. And now we have some food. So these are chocolate nuggets. They're Hershey nuggets. And I'm going to teach you how to put this together. Very easy. I'll just give you the dimensions, show you how to wrap the individual nuggets. I'm sure you've seen something similar to this. But sometimes they use it very close. They just put 4 or 5 stacked together without this separation here. But the thing is, I had these plastic bags and they were perfect for the size, and I didn't want to have to find one that was maybe thinner. So I thought this would be perfect, and I said I'm just going to use it. I'm going to use what I have. So the idea here is to coordinate the paper, use different papers, always coordinating, and then on the top here you just decorate it. So this one is coordinating too. Maybe I should have had like a brighter blue, but anyway, this is nice. This is another one. Again, you coordinate with no red and white, and just use another paper as the background. And this is the one that we are putting together right now. Okay, so very easy to make, very quick, great for stocking fillers. And yeah, so let's move to the tutorial. I hope you have fun, and please let me know if you're enjoying this series, which one is your favorite so far. We still have more coming up. Okay, thank you so much for your support, and let's move to the tutorial. So very simple to make. All we need is a piece of paper. This is for the base, because they all have a base like this. So this piece of paper here is 5.5 by 2 3/8. And this one here is for the top. Let me show you. For this top here, that's 3 by 3, 3 inches by 3 inches. And we need to cover them, to cover the nuggets, you need a piece of paper that is 3.25 by 1 1/8 of an inch, okay? So very, very easy. It doesn't get much easier than this. Let's just cover. I already have 2 covered here because, you know, didn't need to do 4. So all you need to do is just kind of go around the nuggets like that, very tightly. And then you come back here, use your glue. Doesn't need to be much. Whoops. So there you go. So it's covered. That's another one. It's gonna press here. So we have 3 now. Let's do the other one. I usually just start at the bottom here. Go around. Just pinch the sides here a little bit. Put some glue. That's that. That's how you cover it. How hard was that? Really takes an engineer to do this. So there we have 4. And now all we need to do, and I will have all these measurements down below as usual, and I'll also have a link to this particular paper here, plastic bag here. So we just want to kind of, I'm gonna put one here, and one here, something like this. So I use paper, or I use the glue here, just a little tiny bit, just to make sure that it doesn't move, because it's not very tightly. Sometimes you see these nuggets, people make it differently. Let me just zoom in a little bit for you. People do it differently. Sometimes they just put it very, very close together. Whatever your heart desires. But I had this, as I said, I had these plastic bags and I wanted to use them. So, very little here. And there you go. So here is the hole, and this is where the glue is. It's going to close. So you want to make sure that this is going to close on the back. So I will just put it in. Like this. You just push it in all the way down. There you go. I'm going to close it. So we're finished here, and now we're going to add the top and decoration, okay? So basically this is a piece of paper that's 3 by 3, 3 inches by 3 inches, basically a square. We're just gonna pinch it together here. Fold it in half. And I forgot to bring the stapler, just a minute. There we are. I always make sure that I have everything until I don't. So here we go. We are going to do it more or less in the middle here because I want to cover that. So I have this very cute deer Santa here. That's what I'm gonna use. Right there. It's going to perfectly cover. I'll show you when it's finished. And I have something else here too on the side. And there we are. We are done. And I didn't really staple well. Oh no, it did. There you go. So let me get the other ones out. How hard was that, huh, guys? Very easy. People love to have food for Christmas. These are great for stockings. So there are the 4 that we've made. We've made this together, and I have these 4, and I'm still making a few. So thank you so much for your time, and I'll see you next. Hi guys, just a quick reminder that I have a new online class where you learn how to make these beautiful gift bags in 3 different sizes, not just like this, closed with this closure here, but also open. So you have classes on teaching how to make it open like this and also closed in all 3 sizes. So you learn a lot of different ways on using your handles, attaching them, and many different ways on how you can embellish your gift bags. So that's it. If you're interested, just click on the link below. It's in the description of this video. And thank you very much for your time and support.